I'm stupid. Basically, on the Thursday afternoon, may have screwed up my dashboard, and I can't fix it. I'm not gonna rip open the wires and try and clean it, because there is moisture / corrosion. So I went on AliExpress and brought a dashboard. I'm paying a ridiculous amount of money because my mum wants a mug. So I'll be paying a little bit more, to be honest. So instead of $160, it'll be a little bit more than that. But unless I can get the thing working. Why did I do this? Anyway, I'll let you know when it's placed. Quick update. I took it to the shop. Shout out to the person. I did not have to pay for this, which was nice, but now, because the screw there was stripped, and it looks like he kind of drilled it out, so anyway, pretty good. But now I can get full access now. So now I can, for some weird reason, it's kind of playing up with me. It kind of, I can still kind of switch modes. Like I can kind of turn it off, but then I try to turn it back on. Yes, it is just having that moment. So basically, dashboard still kind of working, but I'm still going to replace it. It's still got a new update. It's currently in the country, so now hopefully it comes tomorrow. It's from a Chinese company I've never heard of, so, but however they do work with AliExpress. But look at it, it's kind of working. You could probably still write it, but I'm not even gonna try. Look what's arrived. Parcel. Look at it. And I'm gonna open it. How come there's two? Explain to me why there's two. Oh, this must be my dashboard. This must be my dashboard. Now I'm gonna open up very fragile because it's fragile. I don't want to break it. If I break it, I'm screwed. Oh yeah, this is definitely it. Pretty sure the other one is a something I also didn't order, and that is definitely not mine. So don't ask what that is. Come on. Oh, if there's a cover in there, that would be nice. You could buy it with a cover, but I didn't. I only bought the dash because I didn't need a cover. Okay. How do you open this? No? How do you open? Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's a dashboard! Look at it! It's the right one as well. It's nice. They didn't give me a rubbish one. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. It looks nice. It looks nice. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna see if it works. Fragile. Oh my god. You won't even believe it. The pin inside there, I do not know even what happened, but it's broken off. And I might have also received a fake dashboard, because this is not an ordinary dashboard. This thing, when it opened up, it showed green. It usually shows white, doesn't it? And then the pins in here, it's broken, and I can't use it now, which kind of does suck. So I have no idea what to do. So basically, I'm going to try to fix it. Now, you're probably thinking to myself, I would probably end this video and end the project and do it myself. But I ordered another one. And 2 weeks later, this happened. Good morning. It is in fact the next day. And 2 weeks later, we received that, this, and the glue. So basically, today we're gonna unbox this, and we are going to put it into the scooter. Now hopefully I don't do something really stupid, because if I in fact do, I will get very screwed. So it's gonna be a very interesting video to find out. So here we are. It's a scooter. I'll take that out. We don't need that. I'm gonna open this up. Okay. So I brought the M365 Pro version because I didn't want to fall for the Xiaomi Pro 2 skin. I'm just going to look at this real quick. Yeah, we're good. Anyways, yeah, so we're going to be looking at it, and yeah. Here is the new dashboard. Here it is. It's the M365 Pro. It's a little bit different at the back, obviously, but I think that's how the M365 Pro dash was made. So now basically, just got to connect all the wires. Should be relatively easy. Now that I know that I don't actually know what ones are which, because they are different color coded. So just gonna find out. Just got to check out this main piece, which I call the yellow one. I'm just gonna put the yellow one in. Hopefully it goes in. Okay, that's in. And then the blue and green one can go in there if it wants to be. Maybe I have to flip it around the other one, I think. And then you should be able to plug this in very delicately. So now that it goes there. Just gonna pull that up. Okay, I should be able to turn this on. Okay. Okay, and then the light works as usual. Got eco mode, which is nice. Drive mode and sport mode. Look at that. Brand new dash. Look at it. Okay, so now we're just gonna turn it off because it doesn't look like it's gonna have any problems. So we're good. I'll come back until we actually put it in. And we are finished with the dashboard. Would you look at that? Look at it. But there's one more thing we have to do. It's just that plastic cover there. Look at it. Yes. Now, it does look very different to, hold on. If I can find that one, if I can. So this is the old one. So here's a before and after shot. Yes, they are very different, but they do work the same as before. So it does work. No error codes, no anything. The battery indicator's working, which is nice. The eco mode version doesn't really work because obviously I haven't modified it to do obviously whatever 18 kilometers an hour. But the rest of the modes work. The light works as well, which is nice. And I can turn it off as usual. Now I want to see if I could try connect it to the app. See if I can try get it working. Now it's a Xiaomi Pro 2. I'll change that to... I love that eco mode though. That looks nice. And it does look very original as well, which is nice. So we'll connect it to Pro 2. I don't think it's going to let us connect. Okay, so it looks like connectivity doesn't work. So it looks like we have to... Okay, so it's showing as a Mi Scooter Pro. So that's the main defect when you get a not a Xiaomi Pro 2, you just get a Mi electric scooter thingy. So I'll connect it to the app. So obviously it should just work like a charm, hopefully. Press the bell button. Okay. Okay, so that Bluetooth logo looks very, very eerily similar to the other one. Okay, so device is bound, which is nice. Just set the usual. Just set it as scooter, to be honest. I don't know what else to call it. Okay, so it's loading. So hopefully it doesn't ask me for a firmware update. That brake light works as well. So everything does work, which is nice. Okay. Okay, agree. So yes, in the picture it looks It's eerily different. Okay, so 45% of battery, hopefully that's accurate. So everything is extremely different, so obviously I have limited functions, obviously, but that's all I'm going to get. So I'm going to have to watch this safety video now, which is awesome. Now, I don't know what it's going to say now, but it might ask for a software update, but if it does, or not, I don't know. So everything's extremely different. It's a little bit laggy with the Bluetooth, but it still works, so... Takes a while to get the 3 dots on the top as well. So, see if the... Okay, so I just realized they have no... Oh, that's because they have no locking symbol on this. Very different. Firmware update. Okay, there's no new ones, so we can just leave it as is. And yeah, that's about it. So obviously we do have the standard cruise control, and we can turn on the tail light and the high sensitive light, and the locking function works. It just doesn't show the locking thing because it doesn't have that symbol. Where's the other one? I'll show you the other one actually. So this one had the old locking function on it. So the old locking function works, it just doesn't show that padlock anymore, which is alright. I don't mind because I don't even use the locking feature, to be honest. Now I'm just going to glue this down and then add the other piece, and we should be all good. Let's go! Okay, so I finished that build already. It is doing... Everything looks like... This part looks like the Pro 2. This one still looks like the Pro 2. You know that that's an M365 Pro. But this Eco mode doesn't really work because I don't have the BLE version of it. But that's what I just call pedestrian mode. I do like the color. It's nice. And I also, if you didn't see, I also put the waterproof cover on it as well. That as well. So that, hopefully I don't have to buy a new dashboard ever again because of that. So hopefully this $2 investment can actually help me not get water inside it, because that's exactly what happened last time, because now it's not having any problems with me with the light turning on and turning off by itself. So that's good. Awesome. I fixed it now, and yeah, that's really about it now. That's the end of the chapter. After waiting about 4 or 5 weeks, now we actually have a Xiaomi M365 Pro and Pro 2 working. Yay! There's going to be lots of dust on that silicone, but unless it doesn't get that power button inside, we're all good. So, oh, that's very delicate as well. So the light works. I'm just testing it. But yeah, everything works. So standard mode works, sport mode works. Eco mode only goes on 5, obviously, because I don't have the Pro version. That should go up to 18, but it'll be nice for me, but it's fine. I can manage. I haven't tested out cruise control, but I believe cruise control should work, so hopefully it does. But yeah, that's about it for the rest of the video, and hopefully I can wind this on the front. This video, if you did, give a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.